There are not a lot of videos out on YouTube right now that actually show how to mix the KT formula for the babies. They tell you to make it look like pudding consistency depending on the age of the baby. These babies are about 3 weeks old that I'm going to show you in just a minute, but this is how thick it should look. Kind of like pudding or maybe really wet mashed potatoes. And I keep this in a bowl of really warm water so that doesn't go cold, because then it makes the crop move slowly and then they can end up with an infection. This is the exact formula, KT. All the directions are on the back. Follow that to the T or you won't do well with your babies. And then it was suggested to try apple cider vinegar because it helps with the pH in the gut of the baby and also in the crop as far as digestion and everything. And you wouldn't try to get the organic kind, but they call something in here called the mother of this stuff, and it's like a little clump of yuck. It really looks gross. But that, if you can grab just a drop of that and add it to your mixture, then that's going to help babies. And then also spirulina, and if you can get a really good quality organic, whatever, this is kind of a green colored stuff in here, but it's very beneficial also for the chicks. Okay, and then also, if you're feeding the babies and you see the crop after 4 or 5 hours, about 3 weeks of age, is not emptying very quickly and it still looks like they just ate, you can mix half of the formula mixture here with half the same amount of the, I use unsweetened applesauce. And that just kind of helps to move the food through and helps balance the pH in their little crop. Okay, let's get out some babies. These are all crammed in here. These are some babies that the mom and dad just decided to stop feeding. And they're usually very hungry. He was fed about 4 or 5 hours ago, so there's still a little bit of food in there, but he's obviously ready to eat some more. And just take some food up into the thing. Try to push all the air out so you don't end up with an air bubble unnecessarily. And then just put it in there and give a little squeeze. And he'll let you know when he's done. I mean, some of them will let you squirt the entire tube of stuff in there, and some just want a little bite. But they get it all over their little face, and so you have to clean that off because this stuff will harden like a brick, and you don't want that to happen. So just like with your human children, wipe their mouths. And he's still hungry. I got this one. Try to get the air bubbles out. Wipe off the tip of it on the towel so you don't end up putting that all over baby. Okay, open up. Here you go. See, that had a little air bubble in there, but I think most of that popped out. Come on. Just a little at a time with this guy. You might go.